Definitely was not prepared for this weather today. My hands are freezing. Ow, ow! Look at those cute boys. That is awesome. Good morning, everyone. We had something pretty awesome planned for today, but we're not gonna be able to do it because something even crazier is going on outside. You wanna see what's happening outside right now? Let's show them, guys. Oh, we gotta turn this bright. Look at that, guys. So as you can see, we have some pretty impressive snowfall happening. So because the weather is like it is right now, we cannot get to the city where we were planning on doing our fun video today. So don't you worry, we're gonna do that tomorrow, and tomorrow's video is gonna be epic, so do not miss it. But today, we are gonna have a crazy awesome snow day, so come along with us and have some fun. Girlfriend, are you ready for this freezing weather? She's wearing the cutest Thanksgiving outfit that says, gobble till you wobble. Hi. Okay, let's go. Oh boy. Ready or not, guys, winter is here. Okay, climb in. Ah, was not prepared for this amount today. Sis, it's snowing.
I just opened the door and it fell inside.
Oh, definitely was not prepared for this weather today. We need to get all of our snow gear out. It came on so quickly too, like an hour, sorry. Like an hour ago, there was hardly any snow here, like nothing. Okay, let's get your seatbelt on. Get you some snow, hang on. Gotta finish scraping the car off with this Trailblazer driver's manual. Holy cow. Guys, it is here. Winter, whether we want it or not, it's here. And my hair just got ruined. Whoa! Oh shoot. The snow on the windshield is too heavy for the wipers to work.
Then scrape it.
Okay. Taking a short break. My hands are frozen. It's cold. You guys, that snow is heavy, heavy wet snow. Guys, we might get snowed in today. That is a legitimate possibility because with the rate it's coming down and how heavy and dense it is, we could get snowed in later. So while it's just beginning, even though it's crazy already, we are gonna run to the grocery store, get the essentials, get stocked up so we can have a cozy snow day at home. It is official. Four-wheel drive is on and you can't see where our road ends and begins. Don't worry, I'm right in front of my house. I'm going like 2 miles an hour. But this snow is crazy. Tell me how excited you are for winter, guys.
Super excited.
What does that mean for you and Daddy?
Skiing!
Ding!
I went on the top of the mountain before.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, Mommy needs to focus now. Bye! This is crazy! I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it.
Grandma, you're hitting me in the face. Look at my face. Look at mine. Oh, attack. Attack.
Oh, are you okay, Tiny? Hey, don't run. You're gonna slip again.
Attack.
Don't run. We found an amazing cheesecake on sale. So we're getting it. The essentials, guys. Snow day essentials. Cheesecake. I don't know how she sleeps through most of what she sleeps through. Guys. Okay, Mommy can't steer. Here, hold the camera, Tiny. Hold this. Ugh.
Mom.
Hi. I think it's coming down way faster now. Oh boy. We're struggling. Here, let's set the food up here.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Is it snowing so much?
Yeah. Hi, Gogo. Hi, Gogo. Hi, Gogo. Hi, Mom.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi. climb in your seat. Sis, what in the world? Oh.
What in the world?
You have no clue what this stuff is, huh? Okay, hurry, seatbelts. I couldn't even film. I was trying to film how hilarious it was of me pushing the 4 kids, well, the 3 kids, because Coda was walking, of me pushing the 3 kids, and we had our cheesecake fell off the bottom of the shopping cart into the snow, and it was pretty much just a circus. So that was funny. We got the essentials though for a yummy, hearty, warm soup tonight, fresh yummy rolls, snacks for today. So we're just gonna go home, hunker down, possibly play in the snow, but we're not gonna leave again because this weather is crazy. I'm going to pick myself up a Diet Coke at Chevron on the way home, and then we're not leaving again. We just got home, just got unloaded. Look at this. Can you guys even see that? I don't know if you can. It's too bright to tell on the camera. But it is coming down harder and thicker than it has yet right now. Tiny, hurry, inside! So, I'm getting some warm lunch put together. Come on, bud! I'm getting some warm lunch put together, and Coda and Kars are currently gathering all of our Christmas movies. You getting them all collected? I think we have more than that.
No, this is just some of them.
Just some of them. Awesome.
No, I found a good one.
That is a good one. He just had the most, look at mommy. He just had the most excited reaction. Is that a lot of movies? Almost up there?
Yeah.
We just successfully gathered all of our Christmas movies, and we have a few of them. So we have all of the old Christmas classics, Frosty, Rudolph, all those old ones. The original Home Alone. This one's called The Flight Before Christmas. This is Thomas the Train's Ultimate Christmas. Frosty Friends, Elf, It's a Wonderful Life, Polar Express, The Grinch, Home Alone, Charlie Brown's Christmas, Elmo Saves Christmas, Dream All the Way, A Christmas Story, Max and Ruby's Christmas, 4 Christmases, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, of course, Prancer, and Santa Claus. Woo! So as you can see, we love our Christmas movies, and you can bet your booty we're putting one on right now, because with this weather, and you guys, 37 days till Christmas. I'm trying to rein it in. I'm trying to keep the excitement inside until after Thanksgiving, but it's starting to bubble. It's starting to come out a little bit. So we're gonna watch a Christmas movie, huh?
That means...
No, that's Maze Runner. We're not gonna watch that one right now.
Maze Runner.
I love you though. What is it? What is it?
Polar Express.
Polar Express. Oh my heck.
Elves.
And just look at this.
Those elves.
I know, Bubba's. Oh, magical. Mom's feeling the magic.
Yeah.
Well, our rocking chairs, pumpkins and hay, and corn stalks. They don't really fit anymore, covered in snow. Taking the garbage out. And there, oh gosh, there's a good amount of snow. Not right here. It's not deep right here. But over there, it's real deep. Our sidewalks and driveways really need to be shoveled. And I was just about to start doing that. And then I remembered that my back's still kind of injured, and this is like a heavy, heavy wet snow. So I'm not gonna risk it and try to shovel and hurt myself. So Coda's getting excited because he wants to help Cody when he gets home. So we'll see. Cody should be home soon. The boys are napping, and I'm gonna start on dinner. I think you're faking. Don't wake Carsey up. Oh, look at Tiny sleeping. Oh, look at Tiny sleeping. This pretty girl. Hang on, Bubby. Hi, Sissy. I love you. She has been sitting so well today. I need to film it when she's done eating, because she's, I don't know, for the last few weeks been sitting for a couple seconds here and there before tipping over. But she's just been sitting today. Okay, so this morning as we were getting ready to go to the grocery store, Coda found something.
We just found our elf. Like, I was making a comic book, and I found an elf. And then we came home, and he wasn't there. Yeah, that was scary. Yeah. No, Toba nuts. Yeah, Sammy's super nice. So our elf is named Sammy. I named him that when I was 2.
Sammy, our family's elf who comes to our house. He usually doesn't come till after Thanksgiving, but he comes and he watches over the boys and he'll sometimes bring some fun stuff for you, huh? He's here. Huh?
But he was just trying, he didn't do anything fun. He was just kind of hiding from us.
He was. We totally found him hiding. He must be sneaking around watching you guys to see if you're being good, huh? So yeah, our elf, he's sneaking around already, watching you guys. You better be good then, huh, Tiny? We gotta be super good. Okay, dinner is done. We are having creamy potato soup with kielbasa sausage, one of our faves, also with yummy Lionhouse rolls, because they're delicious. We watched Polar Express, huh? And then we all helped clean up our house. What do we watch? Spider-Man? So we watched Polar Express, and then we cleaned up, we vacuumed, we had lunch. And then we watched Santa Claus with Tim Allen. Well, it was playing in the background while we were playing and doing other things. And now Coda has been hard at work making his own comic book, you guys. Cokes, I love your imagination, buddy.
No, it isn't.
Carsey's over there, snoozing away. That's the good thing about a snow day. You can just rest, relax, and chill, huh? I'm so excited to see that when you're all done.
The robots and the aliens.
Crazy.
And there's a tornado.
Your tornadoes are really good.
Thanks. Hey, Dad. Dad, guess what? Our elf game. Yeah.
Hey, hey. Yummy. You make some good dinner, babe.
Thank you.
Is it good, Tiny?
He's got his choo-choo train behind him.
It's funny. Cool. We've been styling Coda's hair because it's getting long, huh? Well, look at this. Oh yeah, finally coming along. You want to do your hair like that? Okay, we can do yours too. Coda, let's see. Give me your pose. Give me a cool pose. Oh, splits.
Kenna's just staring at me. She's like,
Does he look kind of cool?
Mama. Hi.
Okay, let's go do your hair, Tiny.
Okay, let's go do it.
Are we doing your hair?
Like that.
Daddy likes your guys' hair, Cray.
Like
Mom can't handle.
Like that.
What are you saying?
Like that.
Elephant likes that.
The elephant likes that?
No, Daddy like that.
Sammy likes that?
Your hair is too thin, dude.
Daddy like that.
Yeah, you're kind of looking a little psycho.
Yes, mad doctor. You're scientist. Crazy hair.
Oh boy.
Want to see in the mirror?
Yeah.
This is what Cody does for fun. Look at that big helper.
Mom, can you hold this?
Tiny wants to. Him and Can Man made quite the mess with their rolls. I love these I love these dark wood floors, but the only bad thing is it shows every little thing.
Nice job. Now back.
Want to show them how you sit? Of course, because we're filming, she won't.
Look at her. Look at her. Go and her.
Okay, I am headed to make a Christmas craft with some friends. And these dudes, what are you gonna do with Dad? You're gonna play Xbox with Dad? Alright, handsome dude. I love you so much. I stepped on your toe.
You almost ate it.
I love you.
Love you.
Hey, love you guys. You're gonna make a Santa and Hulk smash?
Yeah.
Okay. Carsey's not feeling great, so you just chill, okay, buddy? I love you so much. I love you. No, I'll be back. Love you.
Have fun.
Bye.
Holy, look at that snow.
Oh my gosh. You guys, no, we haven't shoveled. There's a good 8 inches on our sidewalk right there. Honey, you're in socks. Come inside. Okay, love you guys. Bye. Don't worry, I've upgraded from paper to a spatula. I cannot believe I forgot a new window scraper when we were at the store earlier. It's like 17 degrees out there too. I'm freezing. Okay, one window down. Oh crap. My hands are freezing. This is just snow. It's not frozen. Oh, a little bit, but not bad. My hand is so cold. Okay, let's hope that's good enough because I'm dying. Made it. Done a lot more than me and actually shoveled.
Could I hide the garbage can back there?
It was casting a shadow. Cute.
So where do you live? Do you? No, I'm obsessed with it.
Hi, Jackie.
Is Grandma's done? Okay, everybody come this way a little bit. Oh, Grandma's gonna get the dog. You have the dumbest look on your face. We have to do it again. I'm just being honest. Okay, that'll be good. Okay.
What do you want, Cars?
All the ice creams we have.
All of it? What are you doing?
Me too. Look at all
Eating salad? You're a healthy boy, huh?
And look at all the ice cream.
And look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my goodness. So it's still snowing and it snowed like 2 more inches just while I was in there. This is crazy. I don't think you can tell how deep it is, but it's pretty dang deep. I don't even know if I'm recording. Hi. There's a little snow out there.
Look at that.
I haven't glued it together yet.
Sweet.
They're cute. It's snowing so much.
Someone miss you?
Hi, baby. Are we eating some food?
Okay guys, that's it for us today, but we still got our grateful things today. So, I am grateful for my family. These lovely peoples right here that mean the world to me. Canyon, what are you grateful for?
No. Mom.
Mom?
Mom. Dad.
Canyon, Coda, what are you?
I'm thankful for Canyon.
Canyon. Oh, Carson.
The earth. That's what I said last night.
I'm thankful for my parents. I love you guys. You're the best.
That you said last night.
Kinley, what are you grateful for?
What are you thankful for? Food? Milk?
Boobs. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.